Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging Magazine at the Thailand Electronic Circuits Asia Exhibition 2025. And I'm here with Mr. Ulis from Helmut Fisher. I know them as a large global, very high quality measurement company. So tell us a little bit more about Helmut Fisher in Thailand.
Our Helmut Fisher Thailand is a subsidiary from Germany. The factory in Germany have manufactured the instrument for check the coating thickness, about the X-ray machine for check the gold nickel plating on the PCB board, and the instrument for check the solder marking. Yes, we are the distributor for sales and service office in Thailand.
And as PCB manufacturing is growing hugely in Thailand, I guess your business is growing also.
Yeah, for our company help and improve the quality control of the rating on the PCB board or the semiconductor as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
semiconductor also.
Yes,
Ah.
because of the semiconductor have the gold plating and the
Yeah.
nickel plating like the PCB board.
Yeah, but the thicknesses are much smaller for
Yes.
semicon. So
Yes.
your equipment has to be much more accurate.
Yes, because of we have the instrument for inspection the thickness of the semiconductor, that like the PPF or the lead frame.
So what is kind of the smallest level that you can measure?
Nanometer level.
Wow, really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Start from the 2 nanometers of gold.
So even for the future, you are going to be capable of doing whatever the industry needs.
Because of the electronic part, I think it's smaller and smaller than here. But the equipment must be suitable for support.
Yeah, everything is always changing and becoming more challenging.
Yeah, it's really more challenge.
Yeah, that's the nature of our industry. And when you're in measurement and metrology, it becomes so much harder.
Yeah. For the instrument, we will apply to the automation.
Oh,
Because of the some part electronic must be adapt for the automation industry 4.0.
oh.
Yeah.
So not only automation, but also feedback to a management information system.
Yes, we can develop
Oh,
depend on the customer need.
oh, so it's more than just a measurement system now. It's control for process and control for what I would call quality control rather than quality assurance.
Yes, it's suitable for the quality assurance and mixed with the production
Yeah.
for the more capable and productivity.
Yeah. So your business must be very busy now.
Yeah, very busy because of we have the laboratory in our office in Lamanai.
Oh,
Yeah, and we have the instrument for demo unit depend on the ISO the 17025.
right. So customers can actually bring their products in and you can measure them.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a great advantage because you can do everything in the same country and you can also work to very good standards.
Yes, we have based on global standard.
Yeah, yeah, and we're a global industry, so we have to work to the global standards, be it ISO or IPC or whatever. We are in the same global business.
Yes, because every measurement from my side is the according standard from IPC or the ISO or STM as well.
Yep, it's, as you say, Helmut Fisher is a very high quality measurement company, so they're able to do all of this. So thank you for coming in and sharing
Thank
with
you.
us today, sir.
Thank you.
And I'm sure you will have more and more business success as more and more companies start to come into Thailand and also existing companies grow even bigger. So, thank you. That's
welcome.
Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing off.